Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the font style on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, font styles are basically a style which you can choose on your site. This is a sort of new version of what templates used to be on Squarespace 7.0. From 7.1, everything uses the same template, and you can apply all styles and all customization options on each template you select when designing your site, because they all use the same base template. They're just different designs. But without further ado, let me show you how you can change those fonts. Now, once you're on your website, as you can see, I'm on one of my pages. You're going to need to go under website and click on styles. From here, you're going to have the option of a couple of different styles. If you click on themes, you can choose a completely different theme from your site. And as you can see, you will see the font style to the left of all of these pictures or icons for the themes. As you'll see, this is my current font style, and these are some other themes with other font styles. But if you don't want to completely change your theme, which I wouldn't want to do, you can edit your font very easily. You can click here on fonts, select whichever font you would like. For headings, you can click here to customize, or you can click here on this arrow to customize as well. You can select a font pack. You can select sans serif, serif, or mixed, depending on your wishes. You can change the headings, you can change the base size, you can change a couple of different things. But for example, I'll go to all font packs and I'll select this one, and as you can see, it saved it or changed it on my site. Then just click save, click exit, and now your font style has been changed and it has been applied across your entire site. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.